In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members in Figma, an essential skill if you want to collaborate effectively with your team on design projects. So, to get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to Figma's website. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that many teams use to streamline their design process. If you're not already there, open your preferred web browser and go to figma.com. Once you arrive on Figma's homepage, you'll need to log in. Look for the login option, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you're already logged in, you might be automatically directed to the home page. If not, enter your login credentials, and once you're signed in, this will take you to your Figma homepage, where you can see a list of your projects and teams. From here, you'll want to navigate to your team space. This may be titled with a specific team name like design team or marketing team, depending on how your teams are organized within Figma. Today we're looking directly at what would be called Nanz's team. You'll see this in the sidebar or your dashboard, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're on your team page, the next step is to locate the share button. This is typically found towards the top or side of your team's dashboard. The share feature is vital as it allows you to manage who gets access to your team's files and projects. Click on the share button to proceed. After clicking share, you'll have a couple of options for inviting team members. You can either invite via a link which you can copy and share with those who need access. This is great if you want to quickly share access with multiple people, or if you're communicating outside of Figma, simply click on invite link to generate this shareable link. Alternatively, if you want to specify exactly who to add to your team, you can invite team members by email. This is often the preferred method for keeping track of who you've officially added to your team and for ensuring only specific people gain access. You'll see an option labeled Invite by Email. Click on this, enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite, and follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your invitation. And there you have it. Inviting team members in Figma is a seamless process that helps keep everyone on the same page, allowing for more efficient collaboration and productivity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to explore more of Figma's features to see how they can benefit your team's workflow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.